Introducing the KLUDGE S108 Typewriter keyboard, a fascinating blend of retro aesthetics and modern technology that's designed to elevate both your gaming and typing experiences. This keyboard pays homage to the classic typewriter with its vintage steampunk design and round keycaps, while simultaneously delivering high-performance mechanical switches for responsive and accurate input. It is perfect for gamers who demand precision, as well as individuals who enjoy a striking design and tactile keyboard feedback. One of the standout features of this keyboard is its robust mechanical blue switches. These switches are known for their medium resistance, distinctive audible click, and tactile feedback, making each keystroke satisfying whether you're in the heat of battle or typing out a lengthy document. The retro typewriter style is complemented by an elegant mount of round keycaps that evoke nostalgia and provide a comfortable, stable typing experience. Adding to its unique charm, the KLUDGE S108 features a unique RGB backlit system with per-key illumination. With up to 168 LED backlit modes and customizable color options, you can create an immersive gaming atmosphere that adapts to your mood or setup. The transparency of its sidelight, combined with adjustable brightness and speed settings, means that you can tailor the lighting effects to precisely what you need, whether it's a subtle glow for late-night gaming or vibrant lighting that brings the game world to life. Practicality is also at the heart of this design. The detachable wrist rest and robust metal top panel ensure long-lasting durability and ergonomic support. The ABS palm rest alleviates wrist pressure during extended gaming sessions, while the aluminum alloy panel adds a premium, scratch-resistant finish. Additionally, the 108 key layout, complete with a dedicated number pad and full key anti-ghosting capabilities, guarantees that every input is accurately captured, even during fast-paced gameplay. However, while the KLUDGE S108 impresses with a great mix of style and functionality, it may not satisfy those seeking ultra-quiet keys due to the audible click of the blue switches. Also, its retro design may not be everyone's cup of tea if you prefer a more minimalistic aesthetic. In comparison to other mechanical keyboards that offer quieter and more subdued notifications, this model stands out as a niche product tailored more for style-conscious users with a love for classic typewriter aesthetics. To maximize your experience, consider customizing your lighting schemes based on your gaming environment and adjust the wrist rest position to suit your posture. Overall, the KLUDGE S108 is a commendable choice for gamers, typists, and retro enthusiasts alike, combining form, function, and a dash of nostalgic flair.